ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಭಯಪಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ? ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಈ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಡ. ಚಾಟ್ ಜಿ ಪಿ ಟಿ ಜೊತೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಚಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಶ್ರೀ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಚಾಟ್ ಜಿ ಪಿ ಟಿ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಚಾಟ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಲಿಯೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟು ನೀವು ಕ್ರೋಮಿಂದ ಚಾಟ್ ಜಿ ಪಿ ಟಿನೇ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಫೋನ್ನ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಫೋನ್ ಎನೇಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ಶಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಹಲೋ ಚಾಟ್ ಜಿ ಪಿ ಟಿ, ಆರ್ ಯು ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. Please feel free to let me know what you need, and I'll do my best to help you in a detailed and business-like manner.
Okay, I want to talk with regarding beginners who talk English. Ask me simple questions and correct me my mistakes also.
Absolutely, we can do that. Let's keep it nice and simple. I'll ask you an easy question first. Can you tell me what you usually have for breakfast? And go ahead and answer in a full sentence.
Okay. I have idli, vada and dosa for my breakfast today.
Perfect. You're doing great. Just keep answering in full sentences like that, and I'll help you along the way.
Okay.
Let me know when you're ready for the next question.
Yeah, please go on.
Absolutely. Let's keep it going. Here's another simple one. Can you tell me about a place in nature that you really like to visit? And go ahead and use a full sentence again.
I like to visit my farm, and I want to go to the forest areas so the nature to enjoy the nature, and I want to go to the seashores also. And the last thing is I want to visit the few places which I have not seen right now.
That's a wonderful answer. You did really well putting that into full sentences. Just a tiny correction. You could say, I like to visit my farm, and I also want to go to forest areas to enjoy the nature. I'd like to go to the seashore as well, and I also want to visit a few places I haven't seen yet. But overall, that was really good.
Thank you. Please go on. Go ahead.
Absolutely. You're doing really well, so let's keep it up. Here's another easy question for you. What's your favorite time of year, and why do you like it? Just answer in a full sentence whenever you're ready.
My favorite season was 2018, where my little daughter was born. That is my favorite season. That time I enjoyed with my daughter, enjoy with my life, like a lifetime enjoyment.
That's such a lovely answer. And that makes perfect sense. Just a little tweak. You could say, my favorite season was actually the year 2018, when my little daughter was born. That time was like a lifetime of joy for me.
Okay.
You're doing great, and that was a really sweet answer.
Okay. Please go on, please.
Absolutely. Let's keep going. You're doing really well. For the next question, how about this? Can you tell me about a food that you've recently tried for the first time and what you thought about it? Just answer in a full sentence when you're ready.
So I tried a dragon fruit recently. Long ago I didn't tried it, but now I tried it. It was okay.
Great job describing that. Let me just help polish it a little bit. You could say, I tried dragon fruit recently. I hadn't tried it for a long time, but now I finally did, and it was okay. You're doing really well with the full sentences, so let's definitely keep going.
Okay, ChatGPT, move on, please.
Of course, let's move on to the next one. You're doing great so far. For the next simple question, can you tell me about a hobby or activity that you enjoy doing in your free time? Just go ahead and share it in a full sentence whenever you're ready.
In free time, I used to draw. That's the only hobby I used to do.
That's a really nuts hobby, and you explained it well. Just to fine-tune it a bit, you could say, I like drawing. In my free time, I usually draw, and that's my main hobby. You're doing great at forming these sentences. Keep it up.
Move on, please.
Absolutely. Let's keep it rolling. You're doing really well. For the next question, how about this? Can you tell me about a book or a movie that you really enjoyed recently and why you liked it? Just share that in a full sentence whenever you're ready.
Okay. I recently watched the Kantara 2. That is all about mythology, and I like that movie.
Great job. That was a clear answer. You could just say, I recently watched Kantara 2. It's all about mythology, and I really like that movie. You're doing really well at forming these sentences, so let's definitely keep going if you'd like.
Yeah, please go on.
You got it. Let's keep the conversation rolling. For the next question, how about you tell me about a place you'd love to travel to someday, and why that place interests you? Just go ahead and answer in a full sentence whenever you're ready.
I like to go to Singapore and Thailand to watch the beauty of the Singapore and Thailand also.
That's a perfect answer. You can say, I'd like to go to Singapore and Thailand to see the beauty of both places. You're doing really well expressing your ideas in full sentences, so let's definitely keep going as long as you'd like.
Okay, please go on.
Absolutely. Let's keep it going. You're doing awesome. For the next one, how about telling me about something you enjoy doing with your family or friends? Just put it into a full sentence whenever you're ready.
When we meet with my family and friends, we'll do lot of discussions about the present scenario and everything, and we enjoy eating also.
That's a great answer. And it sounds like a lot of fun. You can say, when I meet with my family and friends, we have a lot of discussions about the current situation and everything that's going on. And we also enjoy eating together. You're doing a great job with these full sentences. So whenever you're ready for another question, just let me know.
Okay, thank you, JTPD. So give me five sentences like this so that I can be more perfect in English.
Absolutely. I'd be happy to do that.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you keep practicing with these kinds of sentences, you'll definitely get even more comfortable with English. Just let me know anytime if you need more practice or have any other questions.
Thank you, ChatGPT.
ಸೊ ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷು ತುಂಬ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಆದರೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ChatGPT ಜೊತೆ 1-to-1 ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕಲಿಯುವ ಮೊದಲ ವಿಧಾನ. ನಾವು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಈ ವಿಧಾನ ಸರಳ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಲು ತುಂಬ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಎರಡನೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ChatGPT ಬಳಸೋ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವು ಚಾಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕಲಿಯುವ ಎರಡನೇ ವಿಧಾನವನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈ ವಿಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಯಾಬ್ಯುಲರಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷನ್ನು ಫ್ಲೂಯೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.